Hi guys, this is gsn.com and I'm here with the HTC U12 Plus. I know it's a mouthful, and here we go. Let's load up gsn.com so you can actually see our website. HTC U12 Plus has just been announced. It's a 6-inch phone. It's the main phone for HTC this year and it's priced around $850. It's got a 6-inch screen, Super LCD 6th generation, and it's got a flame red back covered in glass, and also a special blue version, this one here, which lets you see through the case, through the glass, and some of its components. It's got a fingerprint scanner at the back, it's got face unlock, also 2 back cameras as well as 2 front cameras, and the Snapdragon 845 CPU inside, accompanied by 6GB RAM and 64GB of storage. Of course, IP68 resilient, and I want to talk a bit about those cameras. So 12 megapixel and 16 megapixel OIS and EIS, telephoto lens, 2x optical zoom, 10x digital zoom, real-time bokeh, dual face detection, laser focus, and a flash here. At the front there are 2 8 megapixel cameras for the selfie, and I've heard they're also capable of OIS. I wouldn't bet on it, but I've heard that. So 6-inch Quad HD Super LCD screen, 6GB RAM, Snapdragon 845 gigabit LTE, and of course there's no audio jack. Got the USB Type-C port, dual speakers, one at the bottom, one at the top, with boom sound, Dolby, and of course stereophony. As usual, one of the selling points is the Squeeze, the Edge Sense, 2nd generation, and this 2nd generation lets you access a variety of shortcuts and also lets you tweak the experience from the settings. Okay, so we go here, Edge Sense, short press, long press, keep held, activate Alexa, capture screen, flashlight, and a few more. Just like this with a Squeeze. Another novelty which is interesting for me is the change in buttons. You can see 3 buttons here, nothing out of the ordinary, but they are capacitive buttons, not physical ones. So 2 capacitive buttons for volume, 1 for the power button. Okay, so we also have customizations here like theme, background, widgets, page editing, and so much more. So that's it in a nutshell. HTC U12 Plus is the only U12 for this year as far as I've heard, and it's priced at around $850. We have here 2 colors of the phone, 6-inch screen, Super LCD 6, Quad HD, Snapdragon 845, 6GB RAM, and dual cameras front and back. It's also supposed to be slimmer and lighter than the predecessor. Okay, so quick glance at the back camera. Okay, so here we go. This is the interface, and when you zoom in with the 2x optical zoom, you also zoom in acoustically, so you can hear one member of an orchestra doing his thing. And a bunch of the options are here: photo, panorama, hyperlapse, slow motion. It doesn't have 960 frames per second, but it takes 4K 60 frames per second videos and 480p and other things like that. The Pro camera has a few tweaks. It captures RAW, it gets white balance, exposure, ISO, shutter, metering, and focus tweaks. And that's about it. This has been the first contact with the HTC U12 Plus. So we'll be back with a full review very soon. In the meantime, we'll leave you with this at gsn.com. Bye bye.